Hi, I'm Coach Tony Morgan. So this video is to explain about the two websites which I've now got. The first one is the Masterful Engineer website. I launched that last year. This is aimed at new and existing engineers, mainly aiming at two main areas, and that's the mindset training and the technical training. Now, in the video you're going to see, I'm going to show you more information about the Masterful Engineer website, which I've added and updated, about part numbers, fault codes, etc. and prices as well. So that's on there, which I'm going to show you, and also I'm going to show you the new website which I've got out too, and that's the Boiler Repair Mentorship Program website, which I'm really excited about. And this is going to be, the videos in this are going to be at a higher level, giving you more detail, more information than the previous website. So hopefully you're going to enjoy that. And also in the new website, we've got a mentorship program for people who want to do a bit like a mini apprenticeship, if you want to put it like that, and which you come out with me for 5 months. So you've got that, and also you've got the virtual training as well, which for people who cannot make or commit to 5 months, so they can do it online. So hopefully you'll find them beneficial and you'll enjoy what you're going to see. So share this with people if you see, or if you know people who might be interested. So share that with them, that'd be great. I'd be really thankful if you do that. So hopefully you'll enjoy what you're going to see, and enjoy the rest of the video. So thank you for now. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the Masterful Engineer website, and you may and may not know how to use the Masterful Engineer website correctly, but in this video hopefully you'll know the full functionality of it and you can get the full benefit from this website. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to, on the home page, if you go there, click the home, you'll get this type of intro. Now you've got this search box here, but before we go to the search box, we're going to go to the different manufacturers. So you can see these icons, ACV, Alpha, and so on and so on. Now in this you've got loads of information. The main things what you've got here, you can search part numbers, you can search fault codes. So if you've got like an F23 fault or something like that, you can go in and search what you want. So you got part numbers, you got part prices as well, so you can see the price of parts, so it helps you to know what something's going to cost. And there you've got instant information for you guys, so it's got loads of information. So I'll give you an example. If I go into Alpha, click on there, and then what you do, we're going to use something like so we use this Alpha electrode. Click on there, read more, and you can see there's an image of an electrode, and further down here you can see information about the part number, you can see which boiler it's on, you can see the prices, and this is a different type of model. So you've got 4 models there of the electrode on the Alpha. So that's great information for you guys, and I'll show you another example. We can, as I said, we can do a search on, say, a fault code, say on the Valium. I got a call yesterday for an F28 fault, no, F27, sorry. So I'll put F27, and we can scroll down and we can see what that fault is. So there's a fault code, and it gives you information of what that is. So at least you know what it is. You can speak to the customer, you know you're not going to be caught out, oh, I don't know what that problem is. You can see instantly what that is. I can show you some more fault codes. So let's see if we do like an LF code. Say for ideal ISA. We can look at that there. Here it is here, LF code. You probably know this already, but just an example, flame detection error. See if there's any more information on that. So it's giving you like what you can do as well. Check all these particular situations. So you've got, this is the type of information what's in this website. Fault codes, part numbers, prices, images, all at your fingertips to helping you guys do a better job. Alright, so we're now going to go into a different manufacturer. Let's try Biazi. Let's go into Biazi. And we can see various parts here. Let's use this for example. So we've got a central heating pump. So you've got an image of it and you can see the part number. So you've got great information, as I said, on different types of boilers. So you've got all the manufacturers, what we've got on this website for you. So that gives you a gist of the part numbers and fault codes, what you can get from here. You can also get training videos. We've got training videos of most types of boilers. Now, these videos are great videos which help you get through what you need to do. However, we've got a different website which I'm going to talk to you in a minute, which is a more advanced level of videos. But before we go on to that, we're now going to go on to the mindset training, because this is an essential part of any person's development in being a masterful engineer and achieving what you want out of your business and in life. We'll click on there, the mindset training. So in a mindset training, we've got these sections here, 1 to 6. Now you need to go through this. It's going to take a bit of time to do it, but it will benefit you in the long run, as I said, in your business development and personal development, because these are the key things what you're going to need to advance yourself to a higher level or get things what you may not be getting, and it can really help you achieve what you want. So I'd say I urge you to go through these sections one by one, and as I said, this is really going to help you. I'll give an example. Let's look at number 3. It says books and audio books. Just click on that there. Now, on this page, I've listed 6 audio books which I recommend you listen to. And the first one, ironically, is listening. So, as I said, if you go through these, what you do, you can click on this link which will take you to Amazon, and you can search these titles which are highlighted. So you can copy and paste, drop that into Amazon through this link here, and then you'll find that audio book, and you can download it. I think you have to subscribe to Amazon for it, but it's going to be well worth it. And listen to these audio books, because again, it's going to give you a great help in basically managing yourself, managing other people, and managing your business more effectively. So I urge you, as I said, to have a look at these audio books. And once you've gone through them, then you can go through the other sections of the mindset training. So that's going to be it on the Masterful Engineer website section. And then we're now going to move on to the new website, what we've got. and that's the boiler repair mentorship program. Right, so this is the mentorship program website. As I said, this one is different to the Masterful Engineer website in the sense of, for you as to want to develop even further, the videos which I'm now doing are at a higher level, more detail, more specific, will give you that lift what you're looking for in your development as an engineer. So as I said, I'll go through that in a minute. Also on this website we've got 2 ways that you can learn, and it's through these programs. So you click on the program tab there, and you've got the boiler repair mentorship program, and you've got the virtual boiler mentorship program. Now this is for guys who basically want to do hands-on and also be in the environment of the real world, on the job training. But this program, it's a 5-month program, so you would have to come to Manchester to do this program. Now we've got guys who already done it, doing it, and queued up to be doing it, so there is a demand for this. However, it's a big commitment for a lot of guys to leave the family, or if they've got commitments, so it's difficult for a lot of people to do this. But the people who do it obviously will benefit immensely in their development of being a masterful engineer and learning from myself, Coach Tony Morgan. So you can read the website on this page and see the detail, what's involved, what you have to do in a mentorship program. However, we've got this other one, the virtual boiler repair mentorship. Now this is for people who cannot commit to that 5-month period, so they can do it online from at home, wherever they are, at work, so you can be working for someone, or thinking of starting a bit your own business, so you can do it through this way. Again, read this page, the virtual boiler repair mentorship, and you can see what's involved, and you can do it all online. Now, once you make a decision, you're going to use the website for your videos, and that's going to be done through this section here called the Virtual Coaching Assistant. So in the Virtual Coaching Assistant, you can see you've got the boiler manufacturers. And if we take an example, if we go into Baxi, what we've done, we made it a bit more simplified it so you can go straight into the manufacturer, and then you can see each title of what they are. So this one is like how to replace a blocked expansion vessel pipe. You've got one here, a full pump replacement, how to replace a fan unit. So you've got different types of videos, and these videos have been updated quite regularly. That's how to replace a PCB, a block return filter, how to identify that and do it. So there's various videos on different manufacturers. So we've got some others here. We could go, let's see, if we go to say Gledhill. Gledhill boilers is a quite feared boiler by a lot of engineers who don't really understand it. So this is like the Gledhill Boilermate tour, how to test a thermostat, how to change a primary pump. So how to diagnose a Gledhill Electromate when it's not filling up. So there's different videos, and as I said, this is getting updated regularly. And these videos are really in depth. They're more in depth than the Masterful Engineer website. Because basically we've moved on with our technology, we've innovated, we've listened to what engineers have been saying, so we've now listened to them and given this new website which is going to enhance their development further. we're going to be doing classroom training as well. That's going to be coming up probably February, March of next year. So that's going to be very good for people who are going to want to take the training to another level. And what I'm going to do is really make this training absolutely top class. No one in the whole country is going to be delivering training what I'm going to be doing to you guys. So watch out for that. It's going to be coming up soon. On this tab here, how we work, you can have a look at that. That explains how we work, the things we do in coaching, mentoring, initial body repair goals, etc. So you can have a look at that as well. So there's a lot of information for you guys to take in, but hope you're going to enjoy it. And finally, on this website, what I like to do, if you click on this tab here, Coach Tony Morgan, you can see my video about myself and what I've basically done to become the name I claim, Coach Tony Morgan, and what I've gone through in this industry and how I set out and how I began. So that'd be quite interesting for you to watch that, and hopefully you'll enjoy my story. So that's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully it was useful. As I said, we've got the two websites, the Masterful Engineer website and the Body Repair Mentorship website. So they're both independent, but they're both essential for you to actually develop and become the engineer you really want to be. And one last thing, if you look down at the bottom of this video, you'll see the two links to both of the websites. So you can click on the links and go straight to both of them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.